Hi, now we are going to learn how we can use ProPros. So we can create a free online quiz as well as other paid ones. So let us explore the page. This page is www.propros.com. So I go to quiz maker and I try it free. Here, yes, now here we have free option, basic option, professional, business option, and the business plus option. So let us see the facilities that they all gave us. So as you see, if you sign to other options, you should give some money, but with free option it only gives you an unlimited quiz to prepare questions and the quiz takers. But with other ones, with even the basic one, you can track who took your quiz statistics and analytics, and it has no advertisement. Facebook and Twitter share with the basic account. With advanced features, you have the others also. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to sign up to the free version now. So you have option of sign up with Facebook account, or you can sign up by the other account that you used to register here. Yes, now I'm going to use my Facebook account. So it's opened. I let it to share my information. Yes, now I have signed it as teacher Nazma. Okay, good. So I can track quiz status, view reports, edit and manage my quiz, and share my quiz. Okay, so let us create my first quiz. So I can create and score quiz, make tests, exams, or other things. Or I can create a personality quiz, reveal something about the quiz taker. There is no right or wrong answer to create a question. Which superhero are you? Something like that. So I'm going to have a personality quiz and say continue. Now here I am going to write my quiz title. Let us say, yes, now we write quiz title as online course attitude, and we write tags. We write the description that this is a quiz prepared for LM course. We are going to ask you 3 questions, and we will be happy if we write you since it was about these issues. And result types, I have written that, do you think that you are ready for other online courses by now? And I said that there are 2 groups, blended and the online groups. So how do you feel yourself about being an online student? Okay, so we can change the quiz settings from here. Here there are things like it can be password protected, questions per page. It can be 1 question per page, or all questions per page can be public. You can shuffle the order of questions. This is a very important property. Each time you access to the questions, a different question appears as the first one, and second one, and the third one. There are order changes always, as well as the answers. Quiz is available always. Email notification, yes, send me an email, but it says premium can do it, not me. I can change the language here. There are lots of languages available, even Turkish. And try could you take your quiz? Yes, please. I want. There are email numbers, phone. No, maybe phone, not ID, address. Yes, yes, create my own question. No, I don't know, not. Let us have the phone also. It's computers and technology or education. Let us say education. Okay. And you start writing